Welcome to Module 6 of Microorganisms, Friend or Foe. In this video, we will explore the nitrogen cycle and the crucial role microorganisms play in it. The nitrogen cycle involves 5 main stages: nitrogen fixation, nitrogen assimilation, ammonification, nitrification, and denitrification. Nitrogen fixation is the conversion of nitrogen gas into nitrogen compounds. This can occur naturally through lightning or by nitrogen-fixing bacteria. Nitrification is the process where nitrifying bacteria in the soil convert ammonia into nitrates. These nitrates are then absorbed by plants. Nitrogen assimilation is the conversion of inorganic nitrogen compounds into organic compounds, making them a part of a living organism. Denitrification is the conversion of nitrates into free nitrogen gas by denitrifying bacteria, like Pseudomonas, which releases the gas back into the atmosphere. Ammonification occurs when dead plants and animals are broken down by decomposers like bacteria and fungi, converting their remains into ammonia and ammonium compounds. Let's review the nitrogen cycle with a quick summary. Nitrogen fixation starts by converting atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia with the help of rhizobium bacteria. Through nitrification, ammonia is converted into nitrates by nitrifying bacteria. Lightning strikes also contribute to this process. Plants absorb nitrates to make proteins. Animals then eat plants to obtain these proteins, completing the cycle's assimilation phase.